In the previous year, we know about operations on five numbers, five digits, up to five digits only. Means addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on five-digit numbers. In this class, in this year, we learn operations on larger numbers like six-digit numbers, seven-digit numbers, and so on. Okay, coming to our chapter, knowing our numbers. In this chapter, our first topic, estimation of numbers. Estimation and counting numbers. Estimation and counting numbers. It means estimate a number. A number is a greater, which number is a greater number and which number is a smaller number. Okay. See example 51287 1287 825 34. Okay. Among these numbers, which number is a greater number and which number is smaller number? How can you say which number is greater number and which number is smaller number? First of all, count the digits of your number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits here. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits here. 1, 2. 2 digits here. Here, in this number 5 digits, in this number 4 digits, in this 3 digits, in this 2 digits. Okay, here 5 digits, here 5 digits. So in a number series, the numbers which are higher digits, higher number of digits are the greater numbers. In this series, the digits, the higher number of digits existing in this number. So this number is greater than these three numbers. And the smallest digit is lesser number of 4 digits, and the smallest number is lesser number of digits. In this number, digits are 2, so this number is the smallest number. And in case 2, same number of digits, 51287 and 42845. 42845. In these two numbers, digits are same. In these two numbers, digits are same. In this case, we have to take the place value of place values. We have to take the place values. Here, the place value of this number is 1000. The place value of this number is 10,000. So multiply with 10,000, we get 50,000, and the place value of this number is 4 into 10,000, we get 40,000. In these two numbers, 50,000 is greater than 40,000. So this number is the greater number than this number. Okay, and case 3. In case 3, the digits of your number are same. The digits of your number are same, and some digits are equal and equal. So in this case, we have to compare one by one digits. Here we have to compare these two digits first. These two digits are equal. Now go and coming to next digit. Here 1 and here 1. So these two digits are equal. And here 2, here 2. These two digits are also equal. And here 8, here 5. So 8 greater than 5. 8 greater than 5. Then this number is greater than this number. Okay, children. Let's start exercise 1.1. Okay, children. In first problem in exercise 1.1 is write the greatest and smallest among the group of numbers. we have to write the greatest and smallest numbers among these series, among this group of numbers. First of all, we have to compare the numbers. We have to compare the numbers first. In this series, the first digit, the 10,000 place is common. The 10,000 place is same for all the series. Same for all the series. And now in thousands place, and now in thousands place, the number is same in all the numbers in this series. 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. So go to next digit, here 4, and here 8, here 3, here 5. Now arrange these digits in ascending order or descending order. Arrange this series in ascending order or descending order. I am arranging this series in descending order. Descending order. Here we have to compare these four numbers. The greater number in these numbers is 48735. 4835 is 8 is the greater number. So write this number first. 15,892. Descending order means higher number to lower number. We have to write the larger number first and later a smaller number. Here 8 here, so this is the greater number. I am writing first greater number, and now greater symbol. And next greater number is after 8, the greater number we have is 5 here, so 1500 and 524 greater than here 4 here. 4 is the next greater number, so 1500 432, and next the remaining number is 1500 and 370. So descending order means higher number to larger number to smaller number. So first number is the larger number. Larger number equal to 15,892, and the smaller number is the last number is the smaller number, so 1500 and 370 is the smaller number. Okay children, and the next problem, see here, in this problem the first number is same. The first number is common for all the numbers in the series, and I am going to next number 5. Next digit, it is 10,000 place and it is 1,000 place. I am going to 1,000 place. In this 1,000 place, the place value is common. The place value is same for all the 4 digits. I am going next number. Here the next number is changing, so I am writing this number here 2, here 8, and here 6. If you compare these 4 numbers, we know that 8 is the larger number. 8 is the larger number. So I am writing descending order. Descending order here, and 2588 is the larger number. So 2580 is the greater number. And next after 25,800, 25,623 is the greater number. After 25,623, 25,289 is the greater number. After this, the remaining number is 25,073. In this larger number is the first number 25,800, and smaller number is the last number, so 25,073. For this problem we can use descending order also. ascending order also. See here, ascending order. Ascending order for this series. Ascending order means smaller value to larger value. Smaller value to larger value. Here by comparing these four numbers 0, 2, 8, 6, 0 is the smaller value. So write the number 25073 less than symbol, less than, and the next smallest is 2 here. So you can write 25289 less than 25623 less than 25800. Here in ascending order, we can write a smaller number first. So smaller number is the first number. Smaller number is 25073 and larger is 25800. Okay, children. And the next question. Yeah, and the second question is write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to greater number. Okay, children. And the second question is write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to larger number. Ascending order. Here, first of all, we write how many digits are in each number. Here 3 digits, here 4 digits, and here 5 digits, and here 4 digits. Again 4 digits here. And now compare the digit values. Here 3 digits, 4 digits, 5 digits. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Among 3, 4, 5, which is the smaller value? 3 is the smaller value. So 3 digits number is the smaller value. 375 is the smaller value. And now, and the next smaller value, 4 digits number. 4 digits number is the next smaller value. Here and here we get 4 digits. So compare these two numbers, 1475 and 4715. Here, if you compare the place values here, 1 and 4 are the place values. 4 is greater than 1. So next number is 1 is lesser value. So less than 1475. And next 4715. And the remaining number is the 1500 and 951. Okay, and the next question, write the numbers in descending order. Descending order means larger number to smaller number. If we compare the digits in each number, we get 4 digits here, 5 digits here, again 5 digits here, also 5 digits here. 5 digits number is the larger number. So here 3 digits are the 3 numbers are the 5 digits number. So compare these 3 numbers. Here the place value of 10,000 is 8, and here place value of 10,000 is 4, here 8. So 8 is greater than 4. So we compare these two numbers now. In these two numbers, next we have to compare next digit. After 8, 9 here. So we compare these two numbers. Here and in these two numbers 9 is common. So I am going to next number. Here 7 and here 2. 7 is greater than 2. So this is the larger number. 89715 is the larger number. Is greater than, and the next number is this number. 89254. And the next number is 45,321. And the next number is the remaining number, 1876. Okay children, this is the third question. I am giving homework problems to you. Stop Chizawan. Okay children, do these problems as homework. See you tomorrow. Bye.